How to log in into your Halifax Bank account. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari if you're on your iOS device. Once you are in here, in the search bar, search for Halifax Bank account login. Wait for a while for it to load. You will be landing on this page. Tons of different sites will be visible to you, but head over to the very first one, sign in to online banking. It will lead you to the official page of Halifax. Now at the very top right corner, tap on sign in. Tap on continue on website. Now in here you have to enter the username of your account and then enter the password that you have created before. Well, if you want them to remember your user ID, then click on this checkbox, remember my user ID. After that, click on continue. Once you click on continue, you will be successfully logged into your Halifax Bank account, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can log in into your Halifax Bank account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.